Hello, I'm Marc Warde. I'm one of the owners of Niche Gluten-Free Dining in Islington. Today I'm going to make one of the dishes on our menu, one of our starters, which is a Parmesan and Cheddar Donut. It's principally a choux pastry with obviously Parmesan and Cheddar in it and a few other bits and bobs. And then it's deep fried. You open it up, it's got a nice, lovely, soft, cheesy centre. We serve that with heritage tomato chutney here in the restaurant. We make this dish as a choux pastry, so you boil water with butter and a little bit of salt. You throw in some gluten-free flour, we use a little bit of mustard powder as well, and bring that to a sort of tight roux or tight thick sauce. Allow that to cool a little bit. Obviously when we make it in bulks, we put that into a mixer and beat it and beat it and beat it, gradually adding eggs and then adding Parmesan and Cheddar. We allow it to cool and then we make it into small balls. They're deep fried for about 3 minutes. They rise to the top and then we let them rest and we just sprinkle some Parmesan on top, and they're served in a little basket with our lovely heritage tomato chutney. It's really indulgent dish because it's got that nice cheesy soft centre. Parmesan adds something which is quite commonly talked about now called umami, which gives kind of a luxury flavour to food. It's unique to us, you know, something you wouldn't bother making at home because it's quite a lot of effort, but people love it and people come back for them and it really works well.